Hello everyone. Welcome today. Not in today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper is November the 18th, 2021, and I've told you I have only one regular Sudoku, medium Sudoku 3702. I've just solved this one, and no extra Sudokus, no additional. That means I will solve another additional of the Monday. Yes, Monday, November the 15th, 2021. In this additional, we have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the two-star Sudoku, and the tectonic with 1 star. Alright, so let me start with this letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number 3703. 3703. And before I start, I always count the printed digits well. This one has 27 printed, not digits, letters. And those letters that I can use are the I, the A, the G, the E, the R, the T, the V, the U, and the N. Yes. And for a letter Sudoku, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku, with 27 digits, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Not faster than 15, but between 15 and 20. So if you compare, near 2 stars. Alright. So let's get started. We have a G in the first column, the G in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the G should be there. And then. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers an A. We see an A, no A in these 3 boxes. There an A, no A in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the A. Should be there. The A in this first column, A in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the A should be here. Or there we see that A, no A there. A should be here. A in this row, A in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places for the A should be here, or there. We see then A, no A there. Here an A, no A there. The A, only place for the A. It should be there. And now I cannot continue with A. How about? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this last column. One of the missing letters is an A. E. So the E, we have an E here in this big square. So no E in this box. So the E could be here, or there. We have another E there, so no E there. Here an E, no E there. So the only place for the E should be there. The I in this column, the I in that column. So the column between, the only place for the I should be there. 3 missing letters in the last column. One of the missing letters is the V. We see here V, no V there. Here V, no V there. The only place for the V in the last column should be there. So we have 2 missing letters. The G is missing and the N is missing. G and the N. Alright, in the last column we see here an N there. So no N there. the N should be here, and the G goes there. And we have solved this solution, yes. And the answer is, or the solution, in Dutch, if you pronounce this, uitvragen. If you translate this in English, ask out. Yeah, ask out. Woo. All right. Let me continue with the puzzle. We have solved the goal was to solve this word. All right. Let me continue. How about V, the U, and the T. All right. How about E? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is an N. We have an N in this big square, so no N in these two boxes. So the N could be here, could be there. We have another N there, so no N there, N should be here. Alright. 3 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is G. We have a G here in this big square. So no G in these two boxes. So one box left for the G should be there. Alright. Alright. Then. G in this row, G in the middle row, so the row above, the only place for the G should be here. G in this column. G in the last column, so the column between, the only two places for G should be here or there. We see here G, no G there, G should be here. G in this column, G in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places for the G should be here, here, or there. We see there G, no G there, here G, no G there, the only place for the G should be there. And all the G's are used. I can see letter number 1 and letter G. Alright. Then U and a T. 2 missing letters. The U and the T are missing here in this big square. U and the T. U and the T. Okay. So we have a T in one of those two boxes in this column, T in the last column. So the column between the only two boxes left for the T could be here, could be there. Same for the U. We have a U in one of those two boxes in this column, U in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the U could be here, could be there. So 1 box left in this big square for the letter V. The V is missing. V in this column, V in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the V should be there. And in the first row and in the third row. So the row between, the only place for the N should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters E is missing. And the letter R is missing. E and R. We see here an E, no E there. E should be here and the R goes there. Alright, so we have R in this third row, R in the second row. So the row above the first row, the only 2 places for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there, R should be here. Alright. Then. 2 missing letters in this column. For the letters U is missing. And I is missing. U and I. We have a U there. No U there. U should be here and I goes there. I in this row. I in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the I should be here. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters T is missing. And the V is missing. We have a V there. No V there. V should be here. And the T goes there. Alright, one box left in the first row for the letter T. T is missing. One box left in the second row for the letter E is missing. Okay. Okay. The V is missing here in this big square, and the A is missing. V and A. V and A. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. How about these 2 boxes? In this column, the second column, the U is missing. And the N is missing. U and the N. We have an N there. No N there. N should be here and the U goes and there. Now we have a U there, so this box can't be U anymore. That box should be U, and this box should be T. T in this row, T in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the T should be there. T in this column, T in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the T should be here. UT. Now we have a 2 there. T there. So no T here, the T should be here, and the U goes there. 2 missing letters in this row for letters. U is missing and the T is missing. U and a T, we see that T, no T there. T should be here and the U goes there. Then. U in this row, U in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the U should be here or there. We see then U, no U there, U should be here. And all the U's are used. Oh, not. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters U and the I. We have a U there, no U there. U should be here and the I goes there. And all the U's are used. I can't see. Yes. Letter number 2, letter U. I in this row. I in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the I should be there. I in this column. I in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the I should be here or there. We see there, and I no I there. I should be here. I in this row, I in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the I should be here or there. We see there, and I know I there. I should be here. And all the I's are used. I can't see. Letter number 3, letter I. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. R is missing, and the N is missing. R and N. We have an N there. No N there. N should be here. And R goes there. 1 missing letter in the middle row for the letter V, I believe. The V is missing. Now we have a V there. So this box can't be V anymore. That box should be a V. And this box should be an A. V in this row, V in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the V should be there, and all the V's are used. I can't see. Letter number 4, letter V. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. R is missing and the E is missing. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here, and the R goes there. 1 missing letter in this row for the letter A is missing. Yeah, A. And the final 2 numbers are letters. Correction. Letters in this big square are the letters. R is missing. And the E is missing. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here. And the R goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Wow. I'm surprised. So, I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle in this additional. Yeah, see you then. Bye bye for now.